Hello everybody and welcome to Chicago!
Ooh, yay!
AKA the Windy City, AKA the land of Lincoln.
It's pretty cold here.
AKA the American Toronto. We were just driving in on Lakeshore and it's just like Toronto. This really wide road, lots of stoplights, lots of traffic, a gigantic lake on one side, the city on the other side. The city's the same size, the population and the area of Chicago and Toronto almost the same.
Wow.
Crazy traffic everywhere. Evidently they're preparing for the Chicago Marathon tomorrow, so lots of roads are closed, lots of people jogging. It felt just like Toronto. It was chaos, lots of construction happening. Just paid the most I've ever paid for parking in my entire life. I'm not willing to admit how much it was, but it feels like Toronto here with this gigantic lake.
Mm-hmm.
The lake in Toronto is on the south side and Chicago is on the north side, but other than being flipped, it's very similar to Toronto, so I'm feeling right at home.
So today we're gonna explore Millennium Park, home to Cloud's Gate. So that's the Bean.
Right, the Bean.
AKA the Bean. I don't know why they just don't name it the Bean. It's called Cloud Gate. So that's the most famous sculpture in Chicago. So we're gonna check it out. And then we are also gonna check out the lake shore, which we are at right now.
You can see behind us.
Ooh.
This is very similar to Toronto.
Lots of people, lots of runners here. So it's so nice and quiet actually. And then after that, before we hit the road, we're gonna try some dip dish pizza.
Very excited for the pizza.
Yeah.
Looking forward to the pizza. Probably going to skip breakfast in favor of a bigger lunch.
Yeah.
But let's explore Lakeshore and then we'll head up to the Bean, the infamous Bean.
Let's go.
Let's go, Chicago. Okay guys, made it to the Riverwalk. As you can see, it's very windy in the Windy City. That skyline of the lake is just like Toronto, except we have the CN Tower, but very similar. So let's go do the windy river walk. All right guys, change of plans. We're planning on going to Navy Pier. We're planning on going to the Riverwalk, all these things. I did not bring winter clothes proper for this. We left in June on our road trip. It's been like 4 months. So I'm a very bad Canadian. What kind of Canadian would leave his house without a jacket? That's a foolish move. But here we are. My hands are frozen. I can't press the buttons on the camera. We're gonna cut the near cold water part of our vlog short because the wind is just killing me. We're gonna go check out the Bean. And after the Bean, we're going for pizza. There's gonna be a bean and pizza vlog because it's too cold. The wind is too cold and I'm just not prepared for this.
All right.
Next stop, the Bean.
It's not moving right now though.
All right guys, there you have the Bean. Dun, dun, dun. The Bean is insanely popular evidently. There are hundreds of people at the Bean. Maybe we will go underneath. It really is more tourists than I would think, even if it's cold. There's lots of tourists here, lots of non-English speaking people. Let's go up close to the Bean, Ivana. Look at the Bean, look. Can you see us? Where are we? Where are we? Oh, there we are, hey! Where? Oh, there we are! Look at us, we're on the Bean, man! Cool. Alright, let's go underneath the Bean. See if we can get some interesting, creative shots with the big curved mirror that is the Bean. Whoa, super trippy. Whoa, what was in that coffee? Wow. Trippy, no, Ivana? Do you feel like you're in futuristic space? Wow.
Feels like the Bean is gonna suck you in.
Whoa. So we've seen the bean. We've seen the bean. Wow. Cool. Okay, let's move. So lots of people here. Lots of Instagram photos. Hundreds and hundreds of people. Ivana, the bean is sprouting. Oh my gosh, look. The bean is sprouting. Amazing. Let's continue our Toronto-Chicago comparison.
I'm cold.
Yep, it's cold in Toronto as well.
Yes.
What do you prefer, Ivana? The CN Tower or the bean?
The bean is more fun.
The bean is more fun. The tower has a glass floor.
Yeah, true.
Oh.
But the bean is free.
Anyway, probably a bad comparison. I'm freezing cold. I did not bring the proper clothes, as I told you before.
Pizza.
I need some pizza. Let's go get some pizza. I've skipped breakfast. I'm hungry. I'm cold, and I want pizza. Do you know where we're going?
Yes.
Is it like world famous place?
We are going to this place. It's called Giordano's.
Giordano's. Sounds like good pizza. Okay, next stop, Giordano's. Wow. I've never seen a pizza like this. The crust goes up the side. The crust goes flat and then up the side. Oh, Ivana, you gotta scoop it. Take the scooper and show me this cheese. Yeah. I've never seen a pizza like this. Here we go. Chef Ivana. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, go for it, babe. Watch this. Watch this. I want to see that cheese stretch. Look at this. Look at this. Whoa. Oh, it really is like thick. Oh, and the sauce is on top. Oh. Wow. Oh, look at the cheese. Okay, first bite, first bite. Deep dish. Yeah, that's what we needed to see, Mana. That's what we needed to see. You look like a person who's never ate food before. It's amazing, right? The crust is way different. The crust is not like any other crust. It's hard, right? High crust. Wow. Use that to like put some sauce on it maybe. Oh, look at that. Marinara. Breadsticks marinara. Ooh. So this pizza took 1 hour to make. You have to order it when you're outside in the line. You have to wait outside for 45 minutes, then you come in here for 15, and then you're ready to eat.
This place was quite busy at lunchtime.
It was really busy.
It was really busy.
It was really busy, but it's totally worth the wait, no?
Yeah, I don't know
Look
if
at it.
we have those in Toronto. I don't think so.
I don't think anyone does it properly.
Yeah.
Look how much grease is coming out of it. This is really, and this is not a pizza. This is an art. This is really great. Definitely worth the wait. It was 1 hour wait, $25 for a small pizza, but totally worth it. Once in a lifetime experience. We got the Giordano special, which is sausage, mushroom, green pepper, onion.
Oh, gee, Steve. Where's your manners? You're in a restaurant. Come on.
This is the best pizza I ever had. It really is delicious. It's not just cheesy. It's really delicious. You know?
It's fun to eat.
It's fun to eat.
It's like cheese string.
It's so
Melted
filling.
cheese string.
This is my third piece, and I'm like, my heart rate's slowing down. It's so
Alright.
filling. It's so good. The toppings are fresh. This is a great experience.
Okay.
Chicago.
Let's continue
Deep dish
eating.
pizza, baby. Huh?
What's wrong,
Are you
Steve?
talking to me? Oh my god. I had 3 pieces. Those are freaking fall over. I'm gonna have one more though. It's so good. It's so good. It's
By the
so
way-
much cheese and it's just greasy and delicious. I don't know how often you can eat this. Like not every day for sure.
Oh no.
But it's amazing pizza. My favorite pizza I've ever had.
Wow.
For sure.
It is really good.
For sure.
Really good. We have one more slice.
Do you want that
Yum,
slice?
yum, yum. You can have it.
It's gonna be 4 slices for me, 2 for Ivana. Wow, I'm gonna eat for the rest of the week. It's so good. Whew. Okay, guys, Giordano's pizza review. 5 stars.
5 stars.
The best pizza I've ever had.
Wow.
It's really cold out here. I'm glad it's cold.
It's so cold.
I'm so full. If it was hot right now and I was sweating and I was full of pizza,
Oh, Steve almost took a nap in the restaurant.
I was ready for a nap right now. Jeez, so
wow,
good.
Our first deep dish pizza.
Experience.
Did
Yeah,
not
it was really great.
disappoint. It was really good.
It was really good. Yvonne and I
Yeah.
were debating whether or not the cheese. So they build it like pie crust, cheese, all the toppings, a layer of solid cheese, and then the sauce on top. I think it's possible. They took a cheese wheel, turned it up vertical, and just sliced a piece of cheese off the cheese wheel and just put it in the pizza.
Wow.
Because it's all one continuous piece of cheese. Yvonne
No.
thinks that's what the oven is for, and you connect it, you melt it, and then all. Probably right, but it is so good. The whole bottom layer is cheese, and the whole top layer, you're doing this. Really good.
Really good, really good.
Really good. So sorry we didn't explore Chicago more.
Yeah.
We're unprepared with clothes, and we're.
It looks like a really, really cool city.
It looks
pretty
really great.
busy.
really busy, really
Lots of-
touristy.
Lots of skyscrapers. The river walk was really nice.
Yes.
I like that part.
Yes.
Yeah.
We're just in a bit of a rush today because we're planning on surprising my family tomorrow for Canadian Thanksgiving. So we're gonna show up at Canadian Thanksgiving right in the middle of dinner is our plan.
Okay.
So we gotta drive to Toronto from now
Yes.
till tomorrow. So Yvonne is frozen and I'm full of pizza and we got a lot of driving to do. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel
subscribe.
as we
I love
shrink in the corner. Now we're small. Before we were big. Below us is our most recent upload. You can see what delicacy we're experimenting eating for the first time. On the left, you can see some of our other videos. Please subscribe because
Love you.
we are gonna keep traveling.
Subscribe.
And you must keep watching.
Love you. Bye.